court proceedings this morning were short but a little bit hectic, as quite a lot was happening in a very short space of time. The essence of it is that the National Prosecuting Authority indicating that they received 2 folders from the police that contains much more information that will result in much more charges being added against Fulgence Kayishema, the prosecutor in the matter, telling the magistrate that at this stage he is on count 17 in drawing up the charge sheet, and that many more charges will be added as a result of the 2 folders received by police. We understand from the National Prosecuting Authority that they are working still with Interpol and the Hawks on this matter. Fulgence Kayishema, of course, arrested last week. Currently, he's facing 5 charges relating to the contravention of the Immigration Act and fraud. At this stage, he has not been charged with genocide or extermination as a crime against humanity, but in the previous court appearance, the state did indicate that these are possible charges that could be added, as South Africa was requested in 2019 to arrest Fulgence Kayishema in relation to the genocide of Rwanda in 1994. It is alleged that Fulgence Kayishema gave the order for the killing of 2,000 people that took refuge in a church in a small town in Rwanda during that period in 1994. We also heard from people that came forward this morning saying that they are friends of the family, that they know Fulgence Kayishema. One of them is Joseph Habishuti, who said that it is a matter of mistaken identity, and that Fulgence Kayishema happens to have the same name as the person who actually were responsible for these atrocious acts that were committed. He also said that in all the time that he's known him, he's been a family man and a church-going man, and that they've got the wrong person. And it is not unusual for people from Rwanda, if it is known that they might have been in Rwanda during the 1994 period, to change their name and to seek refuge in other countries because they fear for their lives. He's also said that at this stage there are death threats lodged against Fulgence Kayishema, people saying he should face the full might of the law in Rwanda, and that he should pay with death for the crimes that he committed. We also spoke to Jean Smuts, who is representing Fulgence Kayishema, saying that there is a possibility that there could be a request for an extradition of his client to either the ICC, the International Criminal Court in Den Haag, or to Rwanda itself. But he says it's too early to tell, as they themselves have not received the full charge sheet. They are expected to receive it on Monday, when the prosecution is expected to have drawn up the complete charge sheet. The case has been postponed to the 9th of June, when it will become clear or clearer which charges he will be added to that of fraud and the contravention of the Immigration Act. I just have to stress at this stage that he has not been charged with genocide at this stage, but it has been made very clear by the National Prosecuting Authority that there's a high possibility that those charges will be added.